Novelty Waves Season 1, the final episode, surfing a Novelty Point Break.
Hey guys, and welcome back to your favourite YouTube Novelty Wave series. Today, we're here at this Novelty Wave that breaks off the point at Palm Beach. Oh my god, Novelty Waves! What do you reckon about that, Peter?
Pretty big.
Solid.
Firing.
So good. So we're here at the Novelty Point Break. Got the mouth mount, step up and the booties on, and now we're going to get out there and get a few clips of everyone, and it's going to be the grand finale of Season 1 of Novelty Waves. Alright guys, I'm just rocking off the pool to get out to the Novelty Slab Point Break. The rock off is here.
Illustrated. I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. You're the fire starter, twisted fire starter. I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. On the bitch you hated.
So just got in, it was pretty nuts. I literally only stood up on one wave because I found out that when I was out there in those waves, I don't know if you can see that, but when I was out there, my board was too small. So, wait, let me just flip the camera and show you guys this. Yeah, so basically every single wave I got demolished by the whitewater and eaten up, but the guys on longer boards like Ollie and Jack got some pretty sick ones. But hey, we still scored the Novelty and we're in this sick as cave right now, so it's pretty good. Alright guys, so we just finished up. We're at the main beach now. Got the sausage roll. Very good. And now we're gonna go for a quick shortboard on the main beach break out there, get a few lefts. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, while you guys were getting the Novelty Waves, I was getting the bombs out at Palm Beach. Biggest day of the year. Where were you two, man?
Hey, we've been surfing Dolphin Point out there.
Yeah, it was on the pump. Basically, Angary Point, right-hand point.
Well, a lot of location dropping right now.
Yeah. There's a local out there that tried to bash my dad. Oh yeah, this little year 7 ditched his board right on my board. It was beautiful.
Can you let me know right now, please? Bonita Applebaum.
Bonita Applebaum, you gotta put me on. Bonita Applebaum, I said you gotta put me on. Bonita Applebaum, gotta put me on. Bonita Applebaum, I said you gotta put me on. Bonita Applebaum. Hey Bonita, glad to meet ya. For the cunning stunning you miss, I must beseech ya. Hey, being with you is a top priority. Ain't no need to question the authority. Chairman of the board, the chief of affairs.
for season 1 of Novelty Waves. See you next season.
Hopefully you enjoyed season 1. We've gone from everything from slab points, surfing in pit water, and all around. And if you like this series, subscribe, comment down below. And if you want to see season 2, it's on its way.